students, hope you all are doing well. In today's maths class, I am going to teach you multiply sums. First, I am going to teach you simple multiplication. So we will do this sum first. Now you can see that this number is 3. So the rule of multiplication is this, that first we will multiply this number with this and then this number with this. Means first we will multiply this and then we will multiply this number with this. This is only for the practice. You will not put these circles. Okay. So now what you will do, for the beginning you can write the table in the rough work, like 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. We need only up to number 4, so we are not writing full table. So now you can see, first we will multiply 3 with 2. 3 twos are 6. We will write 6 here. Now this number will be multiplied with this number. So now you can check here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 3 fours are 12. 2 you will write here and 1 in the next box. This is our answer. Now we will do the next sum. Here this number is 8. First, again we will write the table in rough work. 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. We need only up to 8. So now 8, first we will multiply this number with this. So 8 zeros are 0. It's very easy for us. Now 8 eights are. So you can check from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 8 the 64. 4 you will write here and 6 in the next box. And you will put answer here. Now we will do 2 more sums. Hope you all understood how to write in the boxes. So now I am not going to draw any boxes. Next sum is 41 multiplied by 9. Now we need table of 9. 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. We need only up to number 4. So 9 ones are 9. It's easy for us. Okay. Now 9 fours are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 fours are 36. 6 you will write in one box and 3 you will write in the next box. And this is our answer. One more sum. 74 multiplied by 2. It's not necessary that every time you will write this table on the side. It was only just for the practice. If you can do it in your mind, then it's good. So now we will do orally. We will first multiply 2 with 4. So you know 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. And now 2 with 7. So 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. 4 in one box and 1 in the next box, and this is our answer. Now I will teach you multiplication with carryover. Again the rule is same. We will check this number. This number is 4. We will speak the table of 4 and count up to 3. So in rough work you can write down if you wish. If you don't want, then you can do it orally. But for this sum I am going to write here. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. We need only up to number 6. So first 4 we will multiply with 3. 4 threes are 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 threes are 12. So now what you will do, you will write 2 in this box and 1 will be carry over on the next number and circle it. Now 4 we will multiply with 6. 4 6 the, you can check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 24. So 4 6 are 24, and now we will add this carryover in 24. So 24 and plus 1 is equal to 25. 5 you will write here, 2 you will write here. This is our answer. Now check the next number. We need to speak the table of 7 here. Okay, so speak with me. 7 zeros the 0, 7 ones the 7, 7 twos the 14, 7 threes the 21, 7 fours the 28, 7 fives the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 sevens the 49. So what you will do, you will write 9 in this box, and this first number will be carry over on the next number. Now 7 fives the 35. We will add 4 in 35, which is our carryover. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So you will write 9 here and 3 in the next box. Now we are going to do 2 more sums. Next sum is question number 3 in carryover. 42 multiplied by 5. We will speak the table of 5. Okay. 5 ones the 5, 5 twos the 10. 10, 0 you will write here, and 1 will be carry over here. Now 5 fours the 5 ones the 5, 5 twos the 10, 5 threes the 15, 5 fours the 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So this is our answer. And one last sum. 38 multiplied by 4. So start speaking table of 4. 4 zeros the 0, 4 ones the 4, 4 twos the 8, 4 threes the 12, 4 fours the 16, 4 fives the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 sevens the 28, 4 eights the 32. So 32, 2 we will write here, and 3 will be carry over on the next number. Now 4 threes the 4 ones the 4, 4 twos the 8, 4 threes the 12, and we will add 3 in 12. So after 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 you will write here, and 1 in the next box. This is our answer. Do this work in your classwork notebook and practice more and more multiplication sums. Thank you.